Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to cook another healthy and interesting recipe in Food Chemistry's kitchen, that is the Palak Appe. So for the Palak Appe, we require palak. This is palak, half cup of palak I have taken. So I have washed it and kept it. Half cup of dahi or curd. In order to add some vegetables, I am using fresh spring onions. So this is also medium size chopped. Some green peas. This we are going to roast a little. It will give nice taste. Next comes the suji. So half a cup of suji I have taken. Baking soda, so this will add fluffiness to the palak appe. That will be done in the latter portion. So let's get started with the recipe. I have taken the mixer jar. First step is to grind the palak. Add little amount of water and grind it to a fine paste. So the palak puree is now ready. Now it's time to put the suji. Then comes the curd. Few veggies. As I have mentioned that green peas will be roasted a little, so for that I have taken a small kadhai. Into this I have put little oil and we'll put this. Here you can see the green peas will start popping, so you just have to stir and turn off the gas. This will give nice taste to your palak appe. So let's add this once it gets cooled down. The green peas are now ready to put into the batter. Now from the masala box I will be using salt as per taste. Some amount of dhania powder. You can skip it if you don't want to. Some amount of chili powder. Half a tablespoon is fine. I will be using raw jeeras. Mix the batter properly. Color has turned out so good, and as you know, food chemistry always focuses on the green thing, the green theme. If you notice the logo, it is also in green color. Yeah, so the batter is ready, and now at this point we will be putting some amount of baking soda. So this is it, and we will give it a nice stir. We have to keep this batter for around 20 minutes and then we can start making the palak appe. So let's do that. Now more than 20 minutes are done and the palak appe batter is ready. You can see this. You can check the consistency of the batter. If you find it that it is in a liquid form, you can put little amount of suji into it. But I think this will work for us. So let's move towards the last step. I have taken the basic appe patra. So this is easily available at every home. And if it is not, then you can get it from the market. I have little bit drizzled the oil in order to fasten up the process. So let's turn on the gas and start the palak appe. So let's start with the last process. Simultaneously we will put all the fillers, and then we will turn it around once it is done. Now I am turning them around. We have to be very careful while doing this. I am making use of this long toothpick. This was there at my home, so I am using this one to flip it around. Obviously the first batch will not be that great, but it will be good from the next. So this is the final outcome of my palak appe. You can see the beautiful green color. It's healthy, tasty and easy to make. I have made a simple chutney to serve with the palak appe. You can eat simply, it will be delicious, or else you can also eat with chutney or sambar of your choice. If you like this healthy palak appe recipe, please try it and let me know in the comment section. Also, I would like to request you to support and subscribe to Food Chemistry. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, remain healthy.